Once upon a time, the Buddha was sitting under a tree, teaching his disciples. A man approached him and said, "Master, I am very unhappy. I have everything I could ever want, but I am still not happy." The Buddha smiled and said, "My friend, happiness is not found in external things. It is found within ourselves. When we are attached to material possessions, relationships, or our own ego, we will always suffer. When we let go of these attachments, we can find true happiness." The man was confused. He said, "But how can I be happy if I don't have anything?" The Buddha said, "You already have everything you need to be happy. You have the breath in your lungs, the sun on your face, and the love of your family and friends. When you are grateful for the simple things in life, you will find that you have everything you need to be happy." The man thought about what the Buddha said. He realized that the Buddha was right. He had been so focused on what he didn't have, that he had forgotten to appreciate what he did have. The man thanked the Buddha for his wisdom and went on his way. He decided to start living in the present moment and to be grateful for the simple things in life. Moral of the story: true happiness is not found in external things. It is found within ourselves. When we let go of our attachments to material possessions, relationships, and our own ego, we can find true peace and happiness. The Buddha taught us that the root of all suffering is attachment. When we are attached to things, people, or experiences, we suffer when we lose them. But when we let go of our attachments, we are free to live in the present moment and to enjoy the simple things in life. The Buddha's teachings on mindfulness and compassion can help us to overcome our attachments and to live happier and more fulfilling lives.